Hi, I'm Casey Krebs, and today I'll be teaching you how to make cinnamon rolls. Right now we are going to make cinnamon rolls. First we'll flour our board. Then we'll knead the dough to deflate it. See all these nice air bubbles? That means there's a good rise in our dough. I took the dough out of the freezer and brought it back to room temperature, and it will continue to rise as it continues to sit here. If your dough is in the fridge, your dough will rise at a slow rate. However, if it's on the counter, it'll be a faster rise. Next, we'll start rolling it out. But before I do that, I'm going to flour the pin as well. Create as much of a rectangle as you can with the dough. Then brush on a thin layer of either butter, margarine, or earth balance. I'm using earth balance today. If you bring your butter to room temperature, it will be a lot easier to spread. For the cinnamon sugar, we are going to mix together 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is great for you, by the way. And if you want the roll sweeter, then you can double the amount. So once that's mixed together, we're just going to sprinkle it on by hand first to get it really even across the dough, and then we'll press it down after that. Next, we're going to roll the dough tightly. Roll out your cinnamon roll a bit and then place the seam side down. We're going to cut them into pieces. Next, line a pan with parchment paper. The reason for the parchment paper is because the rolls can get really sticky and it'll be really hard to clean the pan. Lastly, we are going to place our cut pieces into the pan with the swirl side facing up. We're going to cover the pan with a warm, damp towel and let it rise for another half hour to 45 minutes. After that, we'll let the rolls bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.